Hello, everybody, and welcome back. So today is going to be, whether you're renovating or whether you've said, the heck with this place, we're moving. Today is important because now we get to decide just exactly what we can afford. So you're going to want to hop on Zillow. Take your specification list that you've put all this work into, and you're going to hop on Zillow and you're going to plug those things into Zillow as much as possible. You're going to be able to tell them what bedrooms, what bathrooms. You can include a range most of the time. Zillow, Realtor.com will give you the ability to really narrow down what you're going to be looking for. You figure out how much property you're going to need or how much property you want, and then you hit that and you're able to start tailoring it to location. Now, once you have all the specifications in, the neighborhood is going to be the thing that determines the price point. Certain neighborhoods, obviously, more desirable, higher price point. But maybe just outside of that area or maybe nearby that area, you're going to be able to significantly lower that price point and get your dream home for a lot less money. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, there are super affluent neighborhoods right next to neighborhoods that are far from desirable. And so, I mean, that is another dynamic altogether. So you need to kind of know what the neighborhood that you're looking at actually consists of. Google Maps is amazing for that because you're actually able to get street level views and look at the neighborhoods, kind of go on a virtual tour and check things out and see what the condition of the place is. But get online, go through, and then at that point you can also reach out to a realtor in the area. They should have a real good idea of what homes in that area, what neighborhoods in that area are going to best fit what you're looking for and help you to really narrow down your list. So after this, you're able to then talk to your realtor, because they're going to send you back, after you've interviewed them and gotten a good realtor, they're going to send you a list of houses that fit your criteria. And you're going to be able to get back to them and go, yeah, I like this, but I don't like that, and help to just get them to dial in exactly what you're looking for and help you nail it down and find the home that you're really going to want to go and look at in person. So once we get through the shopping portion, now we're going to talk about moving and what that's going to look like. But just because you're renovating, don't miss it, because there's going to be gems in there for you too. I'll see you then.